this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Fiat Freemont, stock number 6750. This ran from the first 2017 to the current shape. Here's a JF 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a JF 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 19-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,